Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum is currently on the way up here, and against yesterday's swing low, which was here at around 1808, the focus can be on higher. We had a breakout of a descending wedge to the upside. We can count 5 waves down complete, even though I don't like the look of the last wave down. And at the moment, at present, we could still be in the 4th wave here. Yeah, just note that this could be like this. B wave down, overshooting B wave, which bottomed here yesterday at 1807. And we could now be in a C wave to the upside. Very similar structure that would be to Bitcoin. The thing is that Bitcoin is already heading to the key pivot, yeah, the key resistance for that 4th wave. And if Bitcoin goes above, I think it's 1810, Bitcoin is not in a wave 4 anymore. So Ethereum, yeah, it's very weak compared to Bitcoin at the moment, right? So I'm not really clear on, is this still a wave 4 or not? I would prefer the wave 4 here is over. I think I highlighted that yesterday to you already. The reason is that the move down looks clearer than Bitcoin's, and I can count here a clearer 5 wave move down. But I can of course not rule out that we still are in the 4th. Either way from here, because we can count 5 waves down complete. That's what we wanted to see in the A wave. And I highlighted to you over the last few days, ideally, the A wave is finished in the region between 1845 and 1754. That we are already, I prefer we're already in the B wave. Now, I have sketched out for you how this B wave could unfold. And current resistance for the B wave is between 1973 and 2067, which means as long as we stay below 2067, we would still expect a C wave to the downside eventually, so that we are looking at an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave in this wave 2 correction. The wave 2 overall should ideally hold this yellow support area between 1533 and 1754. I only added the 1845 level to the chart here as 38.2 fib level, because this is the level where oftentimes an A wave finishes, but I did talk about that when I added it. Normally this support area should be a bit smaller, but I added that level for the purpose of showing you where an A wave often ends. Now, we reacted to it kind of, couldn't really break below it and sustain below it, so we're now above that level again. So let's see if this is now following through in the B wave. Okay, so such a correction like here in a wave 2 consists typically of an ABC correction. Now again, the A wave could be nearly done in 5 waves. Someone I think highlighted to me, don't forget this could be a flat pattern to the downside. I don't see that flat pattern. Maybe you can describe that a bit better. I can't see it. How could that be a flat? I don't know. I can't see it. The only way I could imagine this could be a flat, now you would say, okay, we had here, this top here. Wave 1 down at 2049. No, 1 second. It would need to be, of course, an ABC. So here, A wave, B wave, and then the C wave down in 3 waves. But that doesn't make, for me, much sense. The reason is that the C wave would be far too long. Okay, it is possible, everything's possible, but it's all about likelihood. So I'd rather count this as a 5 wave move down. But maybe I'm blind. Maybe I don't see something that other people are seeing. It doesn't make a great difference, to be honest, anyway. Because unless you mean the larger wave 2, if that could be a flat pattern. That is possible. This could turn out to be a flat. Of course, you can always get an overshooting B wave, yeah. But again, we're too far away from that at the moment. So at the moment, my view is we came down in 5 waves. We're going to rally in 3 waves, either in a wave 4 or a B wave. And against the 1807 level, the focus can now be on higher. If we are in a B wave, yeah, we should see a reaction to this level all the way up to 2067. A break above that would increase probabilities significantly for a direct breakout to the upside. But yeah, you can always get overshooting B waves, but it's just that probabilities by then would have shifted more towards direct breakout. But yeah, we always need to consider an overshooting B wave. There are never certainties in these markets. So if we now zoom in a little bit, and we're looking at this A wave down there, which is developing, yeah, possible A wave, which could be a 5 wave structure. Yeah, that's typically what you would expect an A wave to be. Now it can be 3 waves, So can be 3 waves. It could be that this A wave is now finished. Something like that. And then we could be in the B wave now and move up in C. But this is micro level. Yeah, this is certainly a possibility. But it's quite weak on the upside, I have to say. Yeah, as you can see, we're now reaching here a small resistance area where we had the previous spikes here on the 22nd of April, the 24th, here around that 1880 level. And if we can break through it, so I would say here sort of 1880 is a small resistance. If we can break through it, then this move up in the larger B wave could unfold further. Yeah. So again, pivot for the wave 4, so that this is still a wave 4 is 1976. Above that, we have to assume we are in a B wave. Above 2076, we're already in a more direct breakout. But the more direct breakout is at the moment not preferred, for various reasons. For example, the move down that started on the 16th of April is a bit too short, in my opinion, a bit too shallow to be already all of wave 2. Okay. Overall, I still have here a bullish perspective. I'm leaning towards a bullish perspective. Doesn't mean I couldn't change it if we see things change, but at the moment I'm leaning towards a bullish perspective because we're holding at the moment bullish support below 1533, or if the market suddenly does something crazy bearish, something like, that is sort of looking very, very bearish, then I would have to adopt that into my perspective. But for now, as long as we're holding 1533, we would still be watching if a third wave is developing. But the idea is that this will only happen after we had here this A, B, C structure complete. If context changes, which happens all the time in crypto, then I will of course make you aware. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.